Hello dear students, today I will discuss about general form of straight line, general equation of a straight line in two-dimensional plane, and just different forms of a straight line we have already discussed in the previous class. Here general equation of a straight line. What is general equation of a straight line in two-dimensional plane? Two-dimensional plane means there is x and y, Cartesian coordinate. Any linear equation in x and y is straight line. So general equation means involving x and involving y and another constant. The standard form is this: general equation of a straight line, because x and y, linear equation x and y, x is power 1, y is power 1 and having coefficient a, b and constant term suppose c. It may be right on right hand side or in left hand side. Okay, this is general equation of a straight line. It can be converted to different forms of a straight line. First of all, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form we know what? Y equals to mx plus c. That is, if y intercept is c, this intercept is c, y intercept c, then this is c, and slope of this line m, then we write like this. This is our form. And if x intercept is given as d and slope is m, then we can write y equals to m x minus d. This is our slope intercept form. Line having slope m and intercept d, x intercept, c, y intercept. So here, just for writing y equals to, so if b equals to 0, if b equals to not 0, if this is not 0, b, then we can write it transferring to right hand side both and dividing by b. So we can write minus a by b x minus c by b if b is not equals to 0. So this is form of y equals to mx plus c. This is m, this portion is m, x plus c, small c, y equals to mx c. Here slope is equals to given by a by b and x, the y-intercept is minus c by b. If b is not equals to 0. If b is equals to 0. If b equals to 0, that is this is not having, then we can write if b equals to 0. Then this is when is x equals to minus c by a. X equals to minus c by a. This is what? Vertical line. X equal to some constant. This vertical line. This type of line. Its slope is not defined. Vertical line. And x intercept is this. So we can find x intercept slope by writing equation either in this form or in this form directly. Now, intercept form. We can also convert this as intercept form. We know intercept form is what? X intercept a, y intercept b, then we write the equation of a straight line as what? X by a plus y by b equals to 1. X by a plus y by b equals to 1. This is our intercept form. X intercept y, that is this. If a straight line intercept this value is a and this value is b, then write the straight line is what? This. So we can convert it. For that, we require right hand side 1. So here we can write ax plus by equals to minus c. Just transfer to minus c in the denominator, left hand side, or dividing by minus c. We can write x by minus c upon a, just a, take to denominator, plus y by minus c upon b is equals to 1. So this is a, small a, this is a small b. So small a equals to minus c by a and small b equals to minus c by b. If this is a straight line, then you can convert it as x by a plus y by b equals to 1. A is x intercept, y intercept. Okay. And normal form also, we know normal form. What is normal form? Normal form is if the perpendicular to the line, perpendicular distance to the line is p and perpendicular makes angle alpha with, if this is our straight line and from origin draw perpendicular, from origin draw perpendicular to the line, this is line, this is p and makes angle alpha, then our equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. This is our normal form. So we can convert it in the normal form. How? Here we see that coefficient of x and coefficient of y, cos alpha sin alpha, square sum of square of it is equals to 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. And right hand side having some constant. Okay. So we can convert it also in such a way that just divide this equation root over a square plus b square. A square plus b square root over. So a x plus b y equals to minus c, and divide both sides by root over a square plus b square. Just divide. After writing right hand side positive, so here if c taken to right hand side minus c, so multiply by minus sign, so minus ax minus by, here plus sign, and root over a square plus b square. Just divide. Minus a square plus minus b square. Okay, so just here we see that minus a upon root over a square plus b square x plus minus b upon root over a square plus b square equals to c upon root over a square plus b square. Here root over, so plus minus sign is taken. Plus minus sign is taken on both sides. Okay. So now we can see that if we take square of it and a square of it and sum, then we will get 1. So just like this, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1, and anything here will be perpendicular distance from origin. Here also if we take positive, negative sign, any sign, that is minus minus plus or plus plus minus, minus plus minus plus, anything combination. So just for finding normal form, divide by root over sum of a square plus b square, coefficient of x and y, coefficient of x and y, but constant term should be on right hand side as a positive side. Okay, so this is normal form, we can reduce general equation to different form. Okay, now there is another definition, a formula for finding distance of a point from a line. Suppose we are having a line just like this, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is our line, equation of line, and we have a point. We have a point x1, y1. Okay, now we have to find the distance d. Perpendicular distance from, or distance of a point from a line is perpendicular distance. That is, this is perpendicular to this line. For finding this distance, we use formula. Just remember this formula, okay? This is equals to, just first of all write the equation of straight line in this form, in general. Clear? And distance is equals to, taking modulus sign, and right hand side should be 0, the form of straight line. This is our straight line, so just write this quantity here, ax plus by plus c. By replacing x and y with this, x1, y1, and divided by its coefficient, coefficient of a and b, x and y, a and b, so sum of square of coefficient of x and y. So this is our distance. Modulus means just take magnitude, maybe plus sign. Okay, so this is our formula. Distance of a point from line is this. Clear? So remember this distance formula, means distance of a point from a line. And if two lines are parallel, then how can we find the distance? Parallel lines means, if we are having, suppose, a line 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 0, this is a straight line, and also 4x plus 6y plus 7 equals to 0, they are parallel lines, because 2, 3, 4, 6, we can write also like by dividing it by 2, the 2, 3, just like this, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y. Constant are different. Constant are d1, this is d1, this is d2. C1, C2, sorry, C1, C2. Okay. So, distance between two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines is given by the formula. Suppose we are having two straight line, parallel straight line. Parallel straight line may be taken as just like this, ax plus by plus c1 equals to 0, one line, and another line is also ax plus by plus c2 equals to 0. These two lines are parallel straight line. Okay, parallel straight line. Okay, and distance between these two lines, d is equals to, how can we find the distance? just take modulus sign, C1 minus C2 upon root over a square plus b square. So remember this formula, okay? Parallel straight line means constant term will differ. So difference between constant term divided by root over a square plus b square coefficient. A root over sum of coefficient, square of sum coefficients of x and y. This is the distance between parallel line. Okay. So by using this formula and all the different types, different forms of straight line, we will solve exercise 10.3. Okay, so 10.3, reduce the following equation into slope intercept form and find their slope and y-intercept. So just simple questions, solution. First question. What is first question? X plus 7y. X plus 7y equals to 0. Just I will discuss in short and you have to write all in detail in your copy, okay? So reduce x plus 7y equals to this, and we have to write it in which form? Into slope intercept form. Okay, and we have to find the slope and y-intercept. Clear? So we know slope intercept form is what? Y equals to mx plus c, and also y equals to m x minus b. This is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. Just write coefficient of y is not equal to 0, so we can write y equals to what? Minus 1 upon 7 x plus 0. Here we see here 0. So slope is equals to what? 1 upon 7, and y-intercept is equals to 0. Clear? Y-intercept equals to 0. Okay. Similarly, second question is what? 6x plus 3y minus 5. 6x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. So here also we can write coefficient of y equal not 0. So y equals to minus 6 by 3 divided by 3 and transfer to right hand side. This and this transfer to right hand side. Minus 6x by 3 plus 5 by 3. So y equals to mx plus c. Therefore slope equals to minus 2. Minus 6 by 3 minus 2. And y-intercept is equals to what? 5 by 3. Similarly, third question is given y equals to 0. Okay, y equals to 0 means very simple. We can write y equals to 0 into x plus 0. So slope is 0, intercept is also 0. Clear? Now reduce the second question. Reduce the following equation into intercept form and their intercepts on x-axis and y-axis. Okay, second questions. So second questions, intercept form, you can equation is 3x plus 2y. First questions, Second, first question. First question is what? 3x plus 2y minus 12. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Okay. So this is first. We have to convert it in intercept form. Intercept form means x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. X intercept, y intercept. So just right hand side should be 1 in each of the question. Clear? Right hand side should be 1. So just write 3x plus 2y equals to 12 and 3x plus 2y equals to 1. By dividing 12 we can write x by 12 by 3 plus y by 12 by 2 equals to 1, that is x by 4 plus y by 6 equals to 1. So a equals to 4 and b equals to 6. This is x intercept and this is y intercept. Okay. So 4 and 6. So you can write, you can do for second questions what? 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y equals to 6. So just divide by 6. So 4 by 6, x minus 3 by 6, y equals to 1. So x by 6 by 4 plus y by 6 by minus 3 equals to 1. So this is A, this is B. Okay. Now, third question is what? 3y plus 2 equals to 0. 3y plus 2 equals to 0. So here x intercept and y intercept we require. Okay. So x intercept and y intercept we require. So what? How can you write it? Here we see that we can write 3y equals to minus 2. So we can write y upon minus 2 by 3 equals to 1. Okay. So y intercept is minus 2 by 3 and x intercept is 0. X intercept is 0. Okay. By comparing here minus 2 by 3, y intercept minus 2 by 3 and just we have to compare with it, then x intercept 0. Clear? So 0 and no intercept. No intercept on x-axis. Okay. Now question third. Reduce the following equation into normal form and find the perpendicular distance from the origin. Also, that is P. We have to find P and angle between the perpendicular and positive direction of x-axis. Okay. So just we have to find alpha and P. We know normal form what? Normal form. Question third. First is given. What is given first? X minus root 3y plus 8. X minus root 3y plus 8 equals to 0. This is given a straight line. This is given straight line. Given a straight line. And we have to find, we know normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to 0. This is normal form. Okay, a straight line, normal form. Here alpha is the angle between perpendicular and this line. This is x-axis, y-axis, this is perpendicular, P angle alpha Okay, this is line. So normal form is this. We have to find alpha and p. For this, we know what we have to do. Just transfer constant on the right hand side and make it positive first. So here x minus root 3y is equals to minus 8. For making it positive, so here since it is negative, so we have to take it positive by multiplying minus sign. So minus x plus root 3y equals to 8. Now we have to divide it by root over sum of squares of coefficient of x and y. So divide it by root over coefficient minus 1 square plus root 3 square equals to root 1 plus 3 equals to root 4 equals to 2. Just 2. Take positive value. We get what? Minus x plus root 3y equals to 8 by 2, 2. So here we see that minus half into x plus root 3 by 2 into y equals to 4. Now compare it with normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to 4. Where alpha is such that cos of alpha, cos of this is equals to minus 1 by 2, and sin of alpha, sin of this is equals to root 3 by 2. So what we can write? Cos 120 degree minus half. Clear? And also sin 120 degree, you can see root 3 by 2. Clear? Cos 120 and sin 120. Thus, perpendicular distance from origin is P equals to 4 and angle between perpendicular and x-axis is 120 degree. Clear? So you can see 10.3, 120 and 4 and 120. Clear? 4 and 120. So just for converting in normal form, transfer to constant term on the right hand side and make it positive by multiplying if required minus sign, and then just divide this equation by root over sum of squares of coefficient of x and y, and then just this quantity will be cos alpha, this quantity will be sin alpha. Just find the alpha which will satisfy this is equals to this is equal to this. For same angle 120, 120. So this is normal form, and we can find just like this distance. Okay. Now, question second. Just in short we can see question second. What? Y minus 2 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals to 0 means what? Y equals to 2. What is parallel line to x-axis. Y minus 2 equals to 0. Just we can use formula for finding normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. You can use this just like this. So just write 0 into x plus 1 into y equals to 2. Okay. Now divided by what? Root over 0 square plus 1 square, root over 0 square plus 1 square. So what? 1, positive value, taking positive value. So we can write 0 by 1, that is 0. So x into we can write x into 0 plus 1 upon 1 y into 1 equals to here 2. So what? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to 2, where alpha is such that this is equals to 0. Cos alpha equals to cos 90 equals to 0, and sin alpha equals to 1. Sin 90 equals to 1. Same angle both. So 0, 1, 0. Okay. So therefore alpha equals to 90 degree and P distance is equals to 2. Clear? Third question is also given here. Third question, x minus y equals to 4. X minus y equals to 4. Okay. X minus y equals to 4. So here we can see that x minus y equals to 4. Right hand side positive. So just divide it. Divide it by what? X minus y upon root over 1 square plus minus 1 square. Coefficient 1 and minus 1. So here also 4 upon root over 1 plus minus 1 square. Just we will get like this. Take positive sign here. Okay. So what? 1 upon this. 1 upon root 2 x minus 1 upon root 2 y equals to get 4 upon root 2. Okay, so we can write 2 into root 2 root 2. Root 2 root 2 cancel to root 2. So here x 1 by root 2 plus y minus 1 by root 2 equals to 2 root 2. Now this is equals to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to 2 root 2, where alpha is such that how can we write alpha is such that cos alpha equals to cos of this is equals to 1 by root 2 and sin alpha equals to sin of this is equals to minus 1 by root 2. Just here remember that both values should be equal. So what will be the value? We know cos pi by 4 is equals to 1 upon root 2. Sin pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2, but not minus 1 by root 2. For getting minus 1 by root 2, we know cos 2 pi minus pi by 4. Cos 2 pi minus pi by 4 equals to cos pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2. And sin 2 pi minus pi by 4 equals to minus sin pi by 4. So minus 1 by root 2. So this is the angle. 7. Therefore alpha equals to 2 pi minus pi by 4 equals to means what? 360 degree minus 45 degree equals to what? 45, 50, 60, 15, 315. 315 degree. Okay, so 315 degree. Alpha equals to. And P equals to 2 root 2. So this is the perpendicular distance and this is angle. Okay, by this technique we can convert the value. Now, fourth question. Fourth question is what? Find the distance of a point 1 minus 1 1 from the line. So distance formula we know. Just now I have discussed the distance formula. Distance formula means distance of a point from a line. Okay, so taking magnitude, so modulus is there in the formula. Okay, but first of all you have to write the line in its standard form. The standard form is what? If our line is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and this is point x1 y1, then we can find this distance d is equals to modulus of root over a square plus b square, and here a x1 plus b y1 plus c. This is our distance. So point x1 y1 and this is line. You should write the line first in this form. Okay. So question 4. Question 4 is given. Just question 4 is given what? 12x plus 6 5y minus 2. Given line 12 x plus 6 equals to 5 y minus 2. This is given line. So first of all you have to write it in standard form. So for that write 12x plus 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 equals to 0. So here we write 12x minus 5y plus 82 equals to 0. This is in a standard form. Coefficient 12 and minus 5. And comparing it with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, a equals to 12, b equals to minus 5, c equals to 82, and given point is what? Minus 1 1. Minus 1 1. So x1 is equals to minus 1, y1 equals to 1. Okay. Thus the distance of point P, distance of P from line is given by what? Modulus of 12x, this is 1, line 1. Okay. So 12x in place of x, a into 12 into minus 1, 12 into minus 1 plus minus 5 into 1 plus 82 upon root over 12 square, a square plus minus 5 square. Clear? 12 square plus minus 5 square, and 12 into minus 1, 5 into 1 plus 82 equals to what? You can solve. Take modulus sign 5 units. Okay. Just solve it. 144, 25, 169, 13, and 65 is upper side. 65 upon 13, 5 modulus value units. Okay, so distance formula, just use distance formula for finding distance. Clear? 5. Find the points on the x-axis whose distance from the line are 4 units. We have to find point on x-axis. We have to find point on x-axis. Point on x-axis means what? The points on x-axis having y coordinate always 0. And there is a straight line given in intercept form, in any form. Just we have to find the point on the x-axis which are the distance of 4 units from the line, given line. So very simple for finding. Just take a point on x-axis that will be in the form of some value, first coordinate and second coordinate is 0. So here, question 5, let A0 be the point on x-axis. Because on x-axis, x coordinate A, y coordinate 0. Such that its distance from the equation x by 3 plus y by 4 equals to 1. X by 3 plus y by 4 equals to 1. This distance from this are always 4. Units. Okay, 4 units. So we can use distance formula. Distance d equals to 4, and distance formula, for distance formula we have to write this in a standard form. 3 4 by taking LCM, 12, 4x plus 3y is equals to 1. So we can write 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Just we can write like this. 12 go to the right hand side, transfer to left hand side, so minus 12 equals to 0. This is a straight line. Okay. Using distance formula. We can get d equals to ax1 plus b, y1 plus c upon root over a square plus b square. Here distance is 4. Distance is 4 and modulus sign a means 4 into a plus b means 3 into 0 minus 12 upon root over a means 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square plus 3 square. So after solving this, we can get 3 into 0, 0 minus 3, 4a minus 12. 4a minus 12 upon 16 plus 9, 25, root 25, 5. 5, this modulus. This here is constant parameter as a. So this is equals to modulus of this. So we have to take one time positive sign, one time negative sign. So plus minus 4 is equals to, 4 equals to modulus of 4a minus 12 upon 5 implies plus minus 4 is equals to 4a minus 12 upon 5. Just taking one time positive sign, one time negative sign. So 4 equals to 4a minus 12 upon 5 and minus 4 equals to 4a minus 12 upon 5. So solving this, we can get value 4 into 5 20 plus 12, 20 plus 12 32, that is a equals to 8 and another value is what? Minus 20 plus 12 plus 12 minus 8 minus 2. So a equals to minus 2. A equals to minus 2. Thus, points are A0. A0 means 80 and minus 2 0. 80 and minus 2 0. Clear? So these are the points. Question 5. Now question 6. Find the distance between two parallel lines. It's very simple. Distance between two parallel lines. We know parallel lines having only constant terms as different. So distance between two lines are C1 minus C2 upon root over a square plus b square. That is the formula. Okay. So here for question 6, formula will be what? So question 6, first given lines are 15x plus 8y minus 34 equals to 0 and 15x plus 8y plus 31 equals to 0. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. These are the equation. Okay. So these two equations are parallel because 15x 8y is same. So constant term are different. Okay. So we know the distance between parallel line C1 minus C2 upon root over a square plus b square. This is the distance for parallel line. Parallel line having just like this formula. What? Ax plus by plus C1 equals to 0, one line. Another line is also Ax plus By plus C2 equals to 0. These are the two lines, parallel lines. And distance is this. So here A equals to 15, B equals to 8, C1 equals to minus 34, C2 equals to 31. Therefore, distance is equals to what? C1. C1 means minus 34, minus 31 upon root over a square means 15 square plus 8 square. This is the distance. Just nothing more here. Okay. So just you have to solve it. Minus 65 by 17. So here 15 square. Just you can solve what? 65 minus 65 upon root over 15 square plus 8 square. 5, 9. So root 70. So this is equals to 65 by 17 distance. Okay. Similar to second questions, Second questions are given like this. What? Second question. Lx plus y. Lx plus y plus p equals to 0 and Lx plus y minus r equals to 0. Nothing. Lx, Ly means same. Lx plus Ly, parallel lines. Constant terms are what? Capital A equals to L, capital B equals to L, and C1 equals to P, and C2 equals to minus R. Just use formula. Use formula D equals to. And you can get the result and what? D equals to modulus C1 minus C2, P plus R upon L square plus L square root over 2L square. So this is what? P plus R by root 2 L. So 1 by root 2 modulus P plus R by L. So this is distance. Okay, so these are the distance between parallel lines. Just use the formula. Okay. Question 7. We have to find the equation of line, and there will be given in different conditions. By that conditions, we have to find the required value of constants of a straight line. That is just like slope intercept form. Then find the intercept, either x-intercept or y-intercept, and slope, and also you can get a straight line in terms of general form. So there will be different conditions. So here in the question 7, equation of line which is parallel to a line 3s minus 4i plus 2 equals to 0. Line parallel to a line. This is line given. We have to find the line parallel to this line and passing through a point. Okay. So passing through a point slope form. Point slope form is what? Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. This is point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. Point is what? x1 y1. x1 y1. Passing through this point. Passing through this point. This point. And slope m. The equation is this. So here point is given. What point is given? What is point? Minus 2, 3. And slope. We know the parallel line having same slope. So here given required line is parallel to the given line as what? 3x minus 4i plus 2. 3x minus 4i plus 2 equals to 0. Means our required line is parallel to this. That is, slope of our required line is equals to the slope of this line. Slope of it is what? How can we write? Slope of it is given by, just write y equal to mx plus c. We can find the slope by slope intercept form here. So minus 4y equals to minus 3x minus 2. So just divide by minus 4. So we get minus 3 by minus 4 x minus 2 by minus 4. Just divide by minus 4. Y equals to what? 3 by 4 x plus 1 by 2. Therefore, slope is equals to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is slope of this line. Since required line is parallel to 1. So, the slope of required line is also 3 by 4. Parallel line having same slope. So, our line is parallel to this. Its slope is 3 by 4. So, required line is parallel to this. So, the slope of required line is also m equals to 3 by 4. Thus, the equation of required line is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is given as minus 2 3, because minus 2 3 or line passing through minus 2 3, so implies y minus y1 3, m 3 by 4, x minus x1 minus 2. So this is our straight line. It can be simplified just like this. 4y minus 12 equals to here 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6. Just solve it. What? 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y equals to 3x minus 4y equals to, if just transfer to right hand side whole thing, 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals to 0. So this is our solution. 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals to 0. So this is a straight line. Okay, record a straight line. So this is the solution of question 7. Now, so remaining questions will be solved in the next class. So all the questions up to 7 and also formula, just you have to write in your homework copy and send me some solution for your attendance as a PDF file. Okay.